Jemma. I'm part of the team who will be helping you on your Access to Higher Education Diploma in Education. A really exciting diploma that is just so diverse, because you could go into primary school teaching. We might have you thinking you want to be a secondary school teacher at the end of this, or maybe specialise in special educational needs, or go down the route of one-to-one private tuition, for example, or playgroups. So it is very varied. So we look forward to hearing what pathway you would like to take, because that will determine which units we deliver for you, which units we would send you down for the different pathways for. So there is lots of different options available to you on this diploma. So we look forward to talking to you about those. But as well as that, if you're worried about just going into education in general yourself and what assignments look like and what's being expected of you, don't worry. It's paced very steady to begin with, to build up that confidence so you understand what an assignment is and what it looks like. And if you've got family and work commitments as well, and you're thinking, well, I'm not sure I'm going to know when to find the time for this, we will work around you. Let's set a schedule that suits you, that suits your commitments, and then we'll go from there and see when we can be applying for university and when your career pathway can really take off. But this is your first step onto that dream pathway that you've always wanted to do. And I must say, with all the ups and downs that come with teaching, it is the most rewarding and wonderful career. I am sat here now because I always knew I wanted to be a teacher, and now I'm helping to teach teachers, which is just fantastic. And we all just love what we do. We all love our subjects. We all love being able to share with you good practice and, help you with those personal statements and personal portfolios that are going to get you into the same journey pathway as us. So we really look forward to meeting you. We look forward to working with you. If you've got any questions at all, get in touch with us. Let's have a chat and see how we can make this work. And we really look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.